Want the perfect Dalgona whipped coffee that don't keep turning into a gritty flat mess? Coffee foam looks deceptively easy, but it's one of the most commonly failed do-it-yourself drinks out there. We'll cover the problems and how to fix them. Mocha iced version and a cozy cocoa-topped hot version, both sugar-free and low carb. Let's get right into it. We'll begin with the refreshing iced mocha Dalgona coffee. In a tall mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee granules, 1 teaspoon unsweetened cocoa powder, and 2 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar-free sweetener. You can use decaffeinated instant coffee, but don't use 3-in-1 coffee packs or ground coffee. Those would take longer to whip or not whip at all. You want plain, good quality instant coffee granules, preferably light to medium roast for the best texture and flavor. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of hot water. Aim for around 90 to 95 degrees centigrade. Too cold and the coffee won't dissolve. Too hot and the foam won't hold. Stir until it forms a dark syrup. Now it's time to whip. Grab a hand mixer or an electric mixer with a whip attachment or a milk frother. This is where most people fail. A spoon or a whisk won't cut it. Whip for about 3 to 5 minutes at medium to high speed or until stiff, glossy peaks form. If your foam looks runny or starts to sink, it needs more whipping, or your ratio was off. Stick to equal parts coffee, sugar, and hot water for the best results. 2 tablespoons coffee granules, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 2 tablespoons hot water. You can increase the amount of the ingredients, but follow the same ratio. Now it's time to assemble our iced mocha Dalgona. In a tall glass, add ice and then pour in about 10 ounces of unsweetened almond milk or milk of your choice. Slowly spoon that thick, delicious mocha cloud on top. It should sit like a frothy crown, not sink like a soup. Want to level up your iced mocha Dalgona coffee? Sprinkle with a few unsweetened or sugar-free chocolate chips or chocolate shaving, cafe-style mocha finish. Now we'll proceed with the comforting, hot Dalgona whipped coffee version. 2 tablespoons instant coffee, 2 tablespoons sugar-free sweetener, and 2 tablespoons hot water. This time we will skip the cocoa powder. This is plain coffee. We will stir, then whip it just like before, until it's thick and creamy. Heat up a cup of milk in the microwave, not boiling, just hot. Pour it into your mug and gently scoop your whipped coffee on top. If your milk is too hot, it'll flatten the foam, so keep it around 70 to 80 degrees centigrade. Dust your coffee lightly with unsweetened cocoa powder for that rich aroma and cafe-style vibe. Perfect Dalgona whipped coffee. No fails, no flat foam, no bitterness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!